Introduction to the best 10 clever HomeKit devices. In today's smart home era, integrating intelligent devices that work seamlessly with Apple's HomeKit can significantly enhance your living experience. Let's dive into the best 10 clever HomeKit devices, breaking down their functionalities, along with their pros and cons, to help you decide which ones suit your smart home needs the best. Number 1. SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. The SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher is an innovative device that transforms traditional switches into smart ones. Without needing to replace or rewire anything, this small gadget physically pushes your switches on command via Bluetooth. It's perfect for those who wish to add smart capabilities to their existing home appliances without significant changes. Pros. Easy installation without electrical work. Compatible with various switch types. Works with HomeKit through the SwitchBot Hub Mini. Cons. Requires separate hub for HomeKit integration. Limited to Bluetooth range without the hub. Number 2. Philips Hue Bridge. The Philips Hue Bridge is the heart of the Philips Hue lighting system, enabling you to control all your Hue lights via the HomeKit ecosystem. It supports a wide range of smart lighting configurations, allowing for custom scenes, schedules, and even syncing lights with music or movies for an immersive experience. Pros. Supports up to 50 lights and 12 accessories. Stable and reliable connection. Enables voice control through HomeKit. Cons. Requires an additional device, the bridge, for setup. Price point is higher compared to direct Wi-Fi bulbs. Number 3. SwitchBot Automatic Curtain Opener. Transform your curtains into smart curtains with the SwitchBot Automatic Curtain Opener. This device attaches to your curtain rail and controls the opening and closing of your curtains through an app or via HomeKit, with the addition of the SwitchBot Hub. It's an excellent way to automate natural light in your home. Pros. Easy to install and set up. Battery operated, requiring no wires. Schedule opening, closing or control via HomeKit with the hub. Cons. Requires the SwitchBot Hub for HomeKit compatibility. Not suitable for all curtain types. Number 4. Aqara Wireless Mini Switch. The Aqara Wireless Mini Switch is a compact, versatile button that can control various smart home devices within the HomeKit ecosystem. It requires the Aqara Hub to function but offers a simple way to trigger actions, like turning on lights or activating scenes without needing your phone. Pros. Small and portable, can be configured for different actions with a single press, double press, or long press. Affordable entry into smart home control. Cons. Dependent on Aqara Hub for functionality. Limited functionality on its own. Number 5. Aqara Smart Hub M2. Serving as the brain of Aqara's smart home ecosystem, the Aqara Smart Hub M2 connects various Aqara devices and makes them HomeKit compatible. It supports Zigbee devices and offers IR control for non-smart home appliances, making it a versatile hub for your smart home. Pros. Supports a wide range of devices. Includes IR remote control functionality. Stable and reliable connection. Cons. Requires the use of Aqara's ecosystem for best functionality. Setup can be complex for beginners. Number 6. Aqara Motion Sensor P1. The Aqara Motion Sensor P1 is an advanced motion detector that integrates seamlessly with the HomeKit ecosystem, provided you have the Aqara Hub. It's designed to enhance your home security and automation by triggering lights, alarms, or notifications upon detecting motion. With a long battery life, it's a reliable addition to any smart home setup. Pros. Asterisk. Long battery life of up to 5 years. Adjustable sensitivity and detection timeout. Can trigger automation within the HomeKit ecosystem. Cons. Asterisk. Requires a Kara hub for HomeKit compatibility. Limited installation options due to its design. Number 7. Aqara door and window sensor. This compact sensor alerts you whenever a door or window is opened or closed, making it a vital component of your home security system. It also enables automation, like turning on lights when a door is opened. Like other Aqara devices, it requires the Aqara hub to work with HomeKit. Pros. Asterisk. Compact and unobtrusive design, easy to install with peel and stick adhesive. Can contribute to energy savings by automating heating and cooling. Cons. Asterisk. Hub dependency limits its plug and play capability. Does not support other brands' hubs. Number 8. Aqara temperature and humidity sensor. Monitor your home's climate with the Aqara temperature and humidity sensor. This small device provides accurate readings of your indoor environment, allowing for smart automation like adjusting smart thermostats or activating humidifiers when connected to the Aqara hub and HomeKit. Pros. Asterisk. Accurate temperature and humidity monitoring. Enables climate-related automation. Small and discreet design. Cons. Asterisk. Requires Aqara hub for full functionality. No direct display on the device. Must use an app for readings. Number 9. Aqara door and window sensor kit. This kit includes 3 Aqara door and window sensors, offering a cost-effective way to monitor multiple entry points in your home. They alert you to changes and can trigger HomeKit scenes or automation, enhancing both security and convenience with the necessary Aqara hub. Pros. Asterisk. Value pack for multiple sensors at a reduced price. Easy installation and setup. Improves home security and automation capabilities. Cons. Asterisk. Still requires the Aqara hub for connectivity. Limited to door and window monitoring. Number 10. SwitchBot Hub Mini Smart Remote. The SwitchBot Hub Mini is a compact IR blaster that connects various SwitchBot devices to Wi-Fi, enabling HomeKit compatibility. It allows you to control IR devices like TVs, air conditioners, and more from your smartphone or through voice commands, making it a versatile addition to any smart home. Pros. Asterisk. Enables remote control of IR devices. Compact and easy to integrate into any room. Provides HomeKit compatibility for SwitchBot devices. Cons. Asterisk. Limited to control IR devices. Requires stable Wi-Fi connection for optimal performance. Each of these clever HomeKit devices offers a unique way to enhance your living experience through automation and smart home integration.